Hello, today I want to show you how to install the DCTS chat app. It's an app that I made quite some time ago, like about 2 years. It has over 500 comments. You won't see it because that's the public shipping one. And yeah, it's super easy to set up actually compared to other alternatives like Matrix, for example. That kind of seems overwhelming for myself and other people probably too. And I'm not sure about Fosquad or Spacebar. It seems kind of dead. The subreddit is dead, and I'm not sure about the progress, but it feels very slow given that I believe that there's multiple people on it. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you how to install it. By the way, I also made a subreddit for that where I'm posting updates. I can show you real quick. Yeah, fuck off Google. As you can see, I was working like on a lot of stuff. Recently, mainly voice chat and screen sharing. And it's finally working. I'm about to release it at this current state, but I still need to fix some bugs. But it's mostly finished now. So anyway, I'm drifting off topic. Installing it is pretty easy. You can use Docker, but it's like experimental kinda. So like if you know what to do, then feel free to help. But to be short, you can install it with these commands. It's really that simple. You just get a repo, you fucking install the packages, and you just run it. Like, it's that simple. And I made it with simplicity in mind. So I already got these files, and basically to install it, you can open the command prompt. I'm on Windows 11. Basically, we're just gonna do what this is saying. We already skipped this part. It's really not special and easy. We're just gonna install all the packages. So I'm gonna copy this. So we just do this. This is usually pretty quick. In the meantime, I'm gonna get this one. Like, if you know what you're doing, you probably already know what this is. And you can just paste this and execute it. Yeah, I already have it running. But that's basically it. This is how quickly you can set it up. Now, to fix this address already in use, it's pretty simple. Here it now created a config file that I'm gonna open in Notepad. Alright, so here we have everything. Here you can change the name of the server, etc. I'm just gonna change the port here to 1, and that's basically all you need. I absolutely recommend that you enable SQL if you have one installed and running, of course, because without it you're not gonna have most features unlocked because they kind of rely on it. But I already have one running. I'm using XAMPP, as you can see down there, for local testing. So if we run it again, it's working. So if we open the URL, I'm gonna copy this token. People that use TeamSpeak may know how this is gonna work out. I'm gonna open localhost, and I already do a lot of testing. So this is basically the chat app. It even remember this probably from the other instance that I have running. But I have no account yet, so I'm creating it, Firefox, whatever, test and test again, submit. And boom, it's that quickly. Let's check. That's from the registration. It makes sense. I just don't wanna deal with that now. It can be ignored, even though it says it's an error. It even has still the messages saved, so that's the good thing about using and setting up the database. Even if you completely delete your server or whatever, if you install it at some point and keep the database, you will still have everything stored except your config file. That will be reset. But yeah, as you can see, this is the member profile. You can change your stuff here. You can also export your account after you've done that. I absolutely recommend it. And once you're there, you can see I'm a member. you right click the item, click redeem key, and then you paste the token. See? So this was this token. This one is gone now, it's invalid. But I am an admin now, and that's basically the setup. There's nothing more you need to do. You can set up your server stuff here. You can change roles, and I just realized I may need to improve this. You can change permissions here. I will make separate tutorials to that, but that's how you basically set it up. And like you saw, it was super easy to install. It was really quickly. It was just no problem, and you can see you also have a report system. It says like the person who reported it, who's the reporter, but it's not working because it's invalid. You can see it. So that user doesn't exist anymore in the config, obviously, but still in the database. The message, the node of the user, you can delete the message and or the report. I think the report or the message doesn't even exist anymore, so I just delete the report, click yes, and it's gone. But that's all for different videos. So this is the basic setup. I hope you liked it. I would recommend checking out the subreddit and joining it if you're interested in news. Like I said, I will be releasing the voice chat update and screenshot update soon, and once it's done, it will be published to the public repository. So if you liked it, share the video please, because it would help a lot. Foscord or spacebar seems to be kinda dead or really slow when it comes to progress, but I'm not that deeply into the Foscord lore. Revolt seems to be kinda dead too, like the official server at least. So maybe this is a good chance to get some fresh wind and make something actually good, you know. So yeah, see ya.